Thank you, Anna.
About try something new. About try something new. About try something new.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. I slept around 8 this morning and woke up by 12, and now I am looking for what to prepare for lunch. I'm thinking of making pancakes or bread and egg, so I don't know which one to prepare. My husband likes pancake, he likes the bread and egg, but he's been eating pancakes back to back. So I don't know guys, I don't know which one to prepare. Maybe I'll go for bread and egg. He also loves bread and egg. The way I do prepare it, he loves it, so I think I'm going to make that. Then later in the evening, I am going to prepare stew so that we can eat it with rice. So yeah guys, I'm going to talk to you guys later.
Five stars. And the best thing is it's unexpected in the man. I didn't expect it. So awesome.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Anna. You'll never divorce. I love you. Very sweet.
I don't know why you're using ketchup.
I like too. Ketchup, but this and ketchup is so sweet with this bread. Anna.
Ketchup is tomatoes.
Awesome.
Yesterday I was very stressed, very stressed. So today being Monday, I'll be going to the mall today. I told you guys I'll be going to the mall on Saturday, but I couldn't go again because I had something to do. Trying to warm up the rice from last night. I cooked and I did not eat. My husband did not eat the food, so we'll be eating that this morning. And I'm also having blocked nose, guys. That's why I'm drinking Theraflu. Maybe I will get better, I don't know. When I'm ready, I'll let you guys know when I'm ready. So talk to you guys later.
actually have nice bags here, fine bags, like fine bags. I'm a lover of bags, so seeing so many nice bags here is something. I just got back from my outing. I told you guys I'll be going to the second mall today, and I went. Guys, the mall is very big, like very big. I think that's the biggest mall in this area, and I enjoyed my day. I made sure I walked around the mall. The mall is very big, a lot of things to see. So yeah, I enjoyed my day, guys. I think I'll be doing this often instead of sitting at home and doing nothing, getting bored. It's a therapy. It's a therapy for me. It's a therapy for me because my husband does not like leaving the house, and I just want to leave the house for him. I am not a sit one place kind of person. Yeah.